a natural drink to help prevent sinus problems. Easy, effective, and so good for you. Hey there! If you're someone who struggles with sinus issues, you know, that annoying pressure, stuffy nose, feeling tired all the time, you're definitely not alone. Sinusitis affects millions of people and can really mess with your daily life. The good news is, you don't always have to reach for medications full of side effects. There's a simple, natural drink you can make at home that can help protect your sinuses and boost your overall health. And today, I'm excited to share it with you. Here's what you'll need. Fresh ginger. It's packed with anti-inflammatory properties that calm swollen sinus tissues and help improve circulation. Fresh turmeric, loaded with curcumin, a powerful antioxidant that fights inflammation and strengthens your immune system. Pure honey, a natural antibacterial powerhouse that soothes your throat and clears your airways. Fresh lemon, rich in vitamin C to boost your immunity and thin out any stubborn mucus. Warm water, to help everything blend together smoothly and absorb easily. Making it is super easy. Step 1. Wash and thinly slice some fresh ginger. Clean and chop a small piece of turmeric. Step 2. Boil about 300 milliliters of water. Once it's bubbling, toss in the ginger and turmeric. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes. Step 3. Turn off the heat, let it cool down a bit, then add a spoonful of pure honey and squeeze in half a lemon. Step 4. Give it a good stir and sip it while it's still warm. So why does this drink work so well? When these natural ingredients come together, they form a powerful team that helps fight off bacteria and viruses before they can cause trouble. Plus, the drink thins out mucus, clears up congestion, and strengthens your body's natural defenses. And that's not all. This drink is great for your digestion, it helps keep your skin glowing, it slows down aging, and it just makes you feel amazing from the inside out. A few quick tips. Try drinking it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to really soak up all the benefits. If you have serious stomach issues like ulcers, it's a good idea to check with your doctor first. Make it part of your daily routine for the best long-term results. Final thoughts. Instead of waiting for sinus problems to hit and scrambling for a fix, why not stay one step ahead, naturally? One simple drink a day can make such a difference. And the best part? You're not just protecting your sinuses, you're boosting your whole body's health. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more easy health tips coming your way.